All right, today I'm going to show you how to run a channel scan for free over-the-air TV channels on an LG Smart TV. Now, the model I have here is a few years old, but the process is pretty much the same on newer LG Smart TV models. In the age of digital television, you have to scan channels in before they're watchable. It's not like the days of analog TV where you connect your rabbit ears and then just turn the dial and the channels automatically appear. Scanning in channels is kind of like loading them into the TV's tuner before you can view them. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have selected the live TV option. So on your remote control, press the home button and then select the live TV icon. And now we can go into the main menu by pressing the gear icon on the remote control and then using the arrow keys, scroll down to all settings on the right side of the screen there. Press OK. And now you're going to find the channels option and then go over to channel tuning. Press the OK button on the remote. And we're going to select auto tuning. This is going to scan in and save all channels that your antenna is picking up. Press OK. Now the TV prompts you here to make sure that your antenna is connected. So you want to make sure that your TV antenna is connected to the RF in port on the back of the TV. You can see it here on the screen. You're either going to twist your antenna cable onto that or just use a push on like I have here. And make sure your antenna is aimed in the right direction. Make sure it's facing the same direction as the broadcast signals in your area. And once your antenna is connected, press the start button and that will start the channel scan. The first option is antenna DTV, that's digital TV. That's what we're scanning for. Now the other options you see below there in white, antenna TV, cable DTV, and cable TV, we're not going to use those because there is no more analog TV and we're not scanning for cable channels. So once the scan is completed, yes, I only get 3 channels around here. You'll probably get a lot more. Once the scan is completed, just go ahead and skip these. Press skip and then press yes. Press skip a couple of more times. All right, there you go. 3 digital channels found. That's all I get, like I said. You'll get more though, most likely. Press the done button now. Once the channel scan has finished, press the guide button on your remote control to bring up an on-screen TV guide, and then you can select whatever you want to watch from the channels your TV has scanned in. That's how it's done. That's how you run a channel scan for free over-the-air channels on your LG Smart TV.